Hey guys, so this is going to be a part 2 of the other video. So if you haven't watched it, then please go and watch the video on how I did this stocking cap. So this is going to be a continuation of that, so you have to watch the first one and come and watch the second one, which is the part 2. So now I have this wig here. I have not done anything to it. It's a wig and I made it into a wig and I bleached the knots. Yes, and this is the inside of the wig. This is Headmistress wig. So if you want me to make a wig for you, you can leave, I'm going to leave my email in the description box. You can contact me via email and then I'm going to make you a very beautiful wig. So this is the wig. You can see the inside, very nice. And yes, so this wig, you can decide not to tape or glue it. You can use, I'm going to sew an elastic band to this wig, so you don't necessarily have to glue it, but for the purpose of this video I'm going to glue this wig on my head. But if you don't want if you want to have a glueless wig, then you can try and then attach a rubber an elastic band. Now I have a video where I show how to make your wig lay flat on your head, where I use the elastic band. So I'm going to link it somewhere up here so that you guys go and watch that video if you don't want to glue down wigs. Now let's get into today's video. Now we have some elastic band to support the lace. Now what we are going to do is we are going to cut the lace. You're going to cut the lace at the front of the wig. You're going to cut, so we're going to cut the lace at the front of the wig. So let me put it on. So this is how you want to put your frontals on. You put the band on first, and then you put the wig on, and then you adjust. So you see how tight the wig is. So this one, you can decide not to glue your wig because it is already tight. Okay, it's already tight, so you can decide not to glue it. Now mind you, I have not done anything to the curls in this wig, that's why it's looking a bit crazy, but I promise you before the video ends, the wig is going to turn out really great. So we are going to cut the lace off. So let's cut the lace. So you want to cut the lace. Now the lace is a bit hard. I don't know why the lace is a bit hard. So be right back. When you make a part, you see your scalp, right? When you make a part, you see your scalp. When you make another part, you see the stocking cap. You guys see it? Yes. So that is what the work of God, that is the work of the stocking cap. So now we are going to cut it. So what you do is that you want to kind of clear the hair away from your face with any hair clip that you have. So let's clear that, and then now we have the hair. Okay, so let's cut the lace. So we are going to cut the lace from, I'm going to start from the middle, so just watch what I'm doing. So we cut with the scissors, and you don't want to cut a whole chunk off, so just cut little by little. So I'm going to use this razor to you know, cut it across my face. And now when you're cutting the lace, you don't want to cut in a circle, like in a straight. You want to move it in a zigzag motion so that you kind of mimic the natural hair. So you see I've left some excess lace. You're going to go back and cut that as well. So let's just finish with this one. It's not tight as it's not so tight that it makes it uncomfortable. It's just right. So you just want to cut off. That makes sense. You want to find where your ear is, okay, and then you mark where your ear is, and then you push the hair back. And then you cut. So this is after the lace has been cut off. Now you can then go ahead to style it. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to put a little bit of the got to be gel at the front part, especially the sides, to make it stable a bit. As you can see, you can move around and the wig is not going anywhere, but just to have a very stable way. We are going to do that and then go in and then, you know, finish it up with some baby hair. So let's see where it goes. We're going to apply some got to be. So I'm just going to raise, push it back a bit, and then apply the got to be around the edges. So what you can do after applying the got to be is to wait for it to dry, or if you are in a hurry like me, then you can go in with your blow dryer on full setting and make it get a bit tacky. So once it gets tacky, you want to push your lace onto bit by bit, and then when you have contaminated hands, it's likely that you're going to turn the color of the gel white, so you want to use anything apart from your hands to kind of gel down the lace, okay? And you want to do it in bits so that I'm going to use some water, some mousse and some conditioner to make the curls pop a lot more. So that's what we're going to do. So I have my water here, I have my mousse here, and then I have my trusted conditioner here. So that's what we are going to do. So first of all, I'm going to spray the water. So this half has water and this half, doesn't have water. So I'm going to put some conditioner. So this is the part with water and conditioner. Water and conditioner. And this is the part that is yet to, experience this kind of thing. So I'm going to do that off camera and I'll be right back. But this is how everything looks after water and conditioner has been added to it. I don't want to add mousse. Initially I wanted to add mousse, but I don't want to add because mousse is going to make it a bit harder. So for now, let's go with the water and the conditioner. And yes, it's not looking that bad as compared to when we started. So let's lay some baby hairs. Let's lay some baby hair. I'm still going to use my got to be glue to lay the baby hairs. So using my toothbrush, let's see. I honestly thought I was recording this part, but I wasn't recording. Wow. So I'm just laying my baby hair with the got to be hair gel. take. So I'm going to use some mousse at the front parts of my hair. So this is the end of the video, guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. This be my first time trying this stocking cap method. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below, and let me know if you guys learned one or two tricks, because I was struggling myself to do this. So yes, that is the end of this video. I hope to upload more hair videos, soon. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.